Sorry for the inconvenience in the last class, students. See what we have seen in the last video, that how the formation of cloud and rains takes place. See, देखो तुम्हारे जो हमने what have we have discussed, water vapor from the land, water vapor from the air. ठीक है, जो transpiration और respiration की तरह यहाँ water vapor मिला, ये मिला. When they come in contact with the air, they moves upward. क्योंकि हमने क्या पढ़ा है, ये hot air always moves upwards. They moves upward, and in the upper part of the atmosphere, we will form some dust particles, some smokes. So these get combined with this air, dust and smoke and forms the tiny water droplets. These tiny water droplets, they condensate and forms the bigger droplets, and thereby the formation of clouds takes place. Once these clouds becomes heavy, they fall as a result of the rain. Understood how the rain formation takes place? Sometimes due to climatic changes, that if the temperature is low, this gets frozen up, and it also results in the formation of snowfall along with the rain. So understood how the rain formation and how the cloud formation takes place. आपका ये water vapor air के साथ fuse हुआ, ऊपर गया, ऊपर में smoke रहते हैं, dust particles रहते हैं, उनके contact में आके tiny droplets बनाए, फिर ये thereby bigger droplets बने उनके condensation से, तो ये clouds बन गए. जब clouds heavy हो जाते हैं, they can start falling into the ground. As a result, rain formation takes place. Understand by taking one more example. Suppose आपने एक bottle लिया है, ठीक है, दिस सील्ड बॉटल, इसमें 5 ml, मान लो ये 10 ml की वाटर बॉटल है, 5 ml तक हमने पानी स्टोर करके रखा है. कीप दिस वाटर बॉटल अंडर द सनलाइट फॉर 5 to 6 hours. After 6 hours, what you observe? Some tiny water droplets along the margins of this bottle. Okay, you will observe this type of tiny droplets. Now bring the incense stick, burning incense stick, near the water bottle and open the tip of the water bottle. Crush this water bottle and release it. Crush it and release it. What you see? The formation of fog-like structure. You will see the condensation of these water droplets resulting in the formation of this structure. This is known as fog, and this is nothing but this is cloud. Okay. सेम थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन द नेचर. जिस तरह हमने एक बॉटल में आपको एग्जांपल समझाया ना, वैसे ही सेम चीज नेचर में होता है और क्लाउड का फॉर्मेशन होता है. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स कम्स टू आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज द एयर पोल्यूशन. Always you get the short answer question on air pollution. Air pollution. What are air pollution? The harmful air which is present on the atmosphere is known, leads to the air pollution. ठीक है, harmful or allergic air which are present is known as air pollution. Now the air is get polluted by us only. We are only who disturbs the quality of the air. We are only who worsen the quality of the air and leads to a major problem in nowadays, that is air pollution. ठीक है, air pollution क्या होता है? जब हमारी quality of the air gets worse, or when the presence of harmful substance हो जाते हैं in the air, that leads to the air pollution. Now let's see what are the causes of air pollution. ये आपके short notes में हमेशा आता है. Air pollution always starts with the definition, that is the presence of the harmful substance in the air leads to air pollution. Next comes to the causes of air pollution. First cause of air pollution is burning of fossil fuel. I will explain you one by one. Second one is your industries, exhaust from industries. Third one is your mining. Fourth is your indoor activities. And fifth one is your suspended particle. Suspended particle. Now see how this will create the air pollution. Burning of fossil fuel means when coal and petroleum are burned, they release the gases like sulfur and nitrogen oxides. And this sulfur and nitrogen oxide, which are very harmful for us, if they get released into the air, they becomes the air polluted. They will decrease the quality of the air. So by burning of the fossil fuel and releasing of the gases like nitrogen oxide and sulfur, they make the air polluted. Second one is the industries. The industries which release the harmful gases, which release the smokes in the air that contains carbon monoxide and other organic compounds, that also decrease the quality of the air. Means whatever the smoke or gases which are released from the industries, they contain harmful gases like carbon monoxide, it will decrease the quality of the air and thus cause the air pollution. Third one is your mining. During the mining process, harmful chemicals are released in the air, and these harmful chemicals also leads to the air pollution. Indoor activities, the paint, whatever we are painting our house, so chemicals which are present on the paint, the chemicals which are present on the cleaning agents, these are the harmful chemicals which direct or indirect way polluting the air. Fifth one is your suspended particulate matter. The particles such as dust which remain suspended in the air, that will also decreases the quality and worsen the quality of the air and leads to the air pollution. Understand, the fossil fuel industries, mining, indoor activities and suspended particles which create the air pollution. Now, what are the effects of air pollution on the human body? ठीक है, effects of the air pollution on human body. इसके जो भी तुम्हारे एयर पोल्यूशन क्रिएट हुआ उनका क्या क्या इफेक्ट हो सकता है. फर्स्ट वन इज योर एसिड रेन. एसिड रेन वी विल टेक दिस इनटू नेक्स्ट लेक्चर इन डिटेल. सेकेंड वन इज योर डिक्रीज इन विजिबिलिटी. डिक्रीज इन विजिबिलिटी, allergies and some disease, allergies and disease. Okay, acid rain, decrease in visibility, allergies, disease, global warming, one of the major effect, global warming. And fifth one is ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion. So these are the effects of the air pollution. What is acid rain? Rain often contains the acidic compound which can affect the animals also, which can affect the plants also, which can affect some crops also. So in this way, acid rain can harm the plants, animals and crops. Decrease in visibility. Decrease in visibility means whatever the suspended particles in the air, they affect the visibility and leads to formation of the smog in the cold weather. Okay, whatever suspended particles which are present in the air, it affects the visibility, it will affect the eyesight and also lead to the formation of the smog in the cold weather. Harmful disease and allergies means inhalation of harmful substance. Whatever the harmful air which are released by this fossil fuels, are released by industries, chemicals, if it gets inhaled by a person, it will cause a disease like heart problems, it can cause cancer, it can cause various allergic reaction. Global warming is one of the most important effects. Okay, global warming क्या होता है? Temperature of the earth get risen up due to the presence of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. So due to the presence of this greenhouse gases, due to the presence of carbon dioxide and methane, our temperature will get risen up and leads to a most versatile effect, that is global warming. Next one is the ozone layer depletion. The air pollution leads to the depletion of the outer covering of the ozone layer around the earth atmosphere. This ozone layer depletion we will study in the last topic of this chapter, ozone layer. So these are the effects of the air pollution. Understand what is air pollution? These are the causes and these are their effects on the human being. In the next chapter we will study about the water. This is all about the air. We have studied the role of the atmosphere. We have studied formation of clouds, formation of rain, understood how the movement of the air takes place from one region to the another, and then we will study what happened when the quality of the air gets worsened out. This leads to the formation of air pollution, into which we have studied about the causes and the effects. Thank you so much, and stay at home, stay safe, and also do all the homework whatever I am providing with my video lectures.